How to view price charts and market trends on Toobit. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Understanding how to view price charts and market trends in Toobit is one of the most useful skills for beginners. So here's how you can do it. First of all, launch open the Toobit mobile application and log into your account. From the home page of Toobit, tap the Markets tab from the bottom of the screen. Once you're inside the Markets tab, browse through your popular pairs under holdings, spot, futures, and DEX, and so on. And now go ahead and tap on any pair, for example, BTC/USDT, ETH/USDT, and so on. I'm just going to select this currency pair over here. After you choose your trading pair, you will see a price chart, candlestick, or line chart view on the page, the current price and percentage change, 24 hours high, low, and volume statistics. At the top of the chart, you can choose different time frames, example 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day, etc. You will also be able to see different chart styles. Tap on this little setting icon and you will see the chart setting menu. From here, you can customize your chart style by choosing style setting. Select whether you'd like your chart to have bullish candle, bearish candle, just customize it. Just select how your bullish candle and bearish candle should appear, whether it is hollow or solid, and click confirm. You can also adjust other chart settings from this menu. When choosing from different time frame at the top, start with the 1 hour or 1 day view to see a clear market trend. Now the next thing to do is to analyze with indicators. Go to the top right section and tap on the little menu button or the gear button, and under chart setting, tap on indicator settings. Here in the indicator setting menu, you can tap on it to add popular technical tools such as moving average, relative strength index, moving average, convergence, divergence, Bollinger Bands, etc. These help you visually understand trends, whether prices are rising, falling, or stabilizing. If there is a coin pair you want to track often, then go ahead and select a different currency pair, and then at the top right corner, tap on the small star icon and make sure the star is filled. And after you tap on this, you'll be able to mark the currency pair as your favorite. You can access it easily anytime from your Markets tab. So that's how you learn how to view price charts and market trends on Toobit. Now, whenever the market moves, you can open Toobit, tap your favorite pair, and monitor live charts, prices, and technical signals. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.